Darren Baldwin out of 5, Michael Gallia, and we go green this time by Andrew Sparks. Dives down into 1 and 2. We got 2 coming together. That'll bring on the Reds. That will bring on the Reds. Car coming down off the concrete there, just trying to catch up with who that driver is. Looks like Kurt Wilson, is it? It is, yes, the number 16 pilot. Our first up heat winner for the night, Kurt Wilson. Just checking the monitor. Alan Solid upstairs, of course, from Ash Media, catching all the action if you want a DVD of the night's action. And just keeping an eye on Kurt. He's moving around. He's undone the belts. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Kurt Wilson. The crew will expect the damage once the car gets back inside. And the lights will go back to yellow. And we'll get these guys restarted. Kurt just making his way down, following the car. Just got a little bit untidy, got up over the top of one of the slower vehicles and found himself upside down. Doesn't look like he wants to come over to have a chat with you, Trev, so we might keep going. Do trust you're enjoying your night at Ozdeck Patios, Archerfield Speedway, folks. Thank you very much for coming in tonight, a fantastic crowd. A brilliant night's action, all open wheels tonight, Formula 500's lightning sprints, and of course, sprint cars.